and we're here at this beautiful place. What a great turnout. Ka, ai flawless aho ka. What a good turnout today, John. Hey, what a good turnout today. Absolutely wonderful. Betul kat tu how ka ini sia? Oh, you beautiful. How lovely yours look. These are bags from here. What the what the Tuhai out there?
No, there's all of us from Dorao.
Hofeo?
No,
Oh, is that, what's the name of the group? That's my mother-in-law. I was there. I was in the Pinamaluku group.
Yeah, you know,
Yeah. Here's the photo.
You know, where's the drink?
Ai hako. Ai hako hea hoia.
I opened the thing.
Ai lo.
Drink there.
Ai, homo se. They're so good. Here, look at this photo. I'm not in it. I wish I was, but I was in the Pinamaluku group. Yeah.
I keep that photo.
Yeah. Ako whea koe hea nei. I can't see you.
Yeah.
Oi, ko koe hea ka?
Yeah.
Ai, flawless e koe nea. I don't remember you in Pinamaluku.
Yeah, you know
Who-
when they opened
Yes.
I opened that one.
Yeah. Did you come to the church where they used to have the Pinamaluku?
Oh, yeah.
Did you come there for the kids?
Yeah.
Ko hae tamahao he mongo ia.
So, Winnie Mo.
Whihe tau ai mga. Okay, whihe tau ai mga nei.
Red.
How old are they now? Those ones. Because my son is 42 now. He was 42 when he was young. Huh? Yeah. Flora Domenhao. Masifa. Well done. Well done for today. I'm just taking my video. Look what Sifa's selling. She was in Pinamaluku. There's Nana. There's Nana there.
Which one?
Here. Nana's here. That's my mother-in-law over there. Nana. Laufo. That's the Pinamaluku at Western Springs.
How are you?
Start the group. And everyone here today. Lovely place to have it because you never know the weather at this time. It could rain. Woo, nice music. Nice music here. Hey, come on down. I'm gonna start after this. Oh, here we are. Everyone's waiting for the opening, eh? Ai, wala fa. Malolo ka? Wa kai ni hau ka? Okay. Oh, nice to see you. Hi. I'm doing my video. Hello. Nice to see everyone. It's on fire. Hi. How are you guys? Good to see you, eh?
Good to see you too.
Yeah. The roof is on fire.
Follow
Woo!
you on your Facebook.
Yeah, do you? Oh, and what do you have to say for today, about today?
Haka hatu makau.
Yeah.
Ia matulu ko hoko mai ki mangere he. Village tui. Mai kia ka nono to. Ne pai ngai ko no te ka nei. Ko lai.
Okay, thank you. Perfect. These are the ones opening up the day today, ka? Afanya mo e ahoa, e aho nei, e aho maua. Kaya, do you have any words to say to the people?
Oh, it's a beautiful day.
Absolutely beautiful. So many people here today, so many colors. Yeah, absolutely. This is Toy's first ever celebration. What do you have to say anything about it to the people?
Last time we saw you was at Tamarama.
Yeah.
And I just say the credit to the organizers who are putting together.
Wonderful. Yes, I give credit to them. Okay, thank you. Yeah, here's everyone here, as you can see. Look at that group. I'll take an angle. Go! Woo! the leader, follow the leader. Woo! Hiya, homo, mama the kuli how. Hiya. Woo! Well done. Kuli mahuli. Mana paka kuli huli. Huli. Good. Oh, the music. I was trying to dance. I can catch you. Hi, my guys. Hi. Kahok kumain niya kayo mga nega? Yeah. What a beautiful day, ka? Yeah. Are you alright? I'm doing my videos because I've got to send it out to people to make sure they know what it's like today. That's Stephen's sister that I go and stay with. Stephen's sister is adopted. He was adopted out. Yeah. That's her, and she bought a place out in what you call it? Not Raglan. This is Waihi. They just bought. They sold up in Perth and they come over. Yeah. So I'm gonna go and just look for her, and then. Hey, we're waiting until 12 when it officially opens. Okay? Yeah. Yay! Wala pa ating mga tua. Yeah. Ha. Kay tala na kakoy. Bifya koy. Malolo na kay. Yeah. Kay tala na kakoy ha huni ke ha. Có hay hình hoa hao. Hey, I've got it. Hi, Galafatu. Beautiful. It's a beautiful day, guys. Yeah, lovely to see you. Capture Malolo for going. What are you selling? Is that a raffle?
Yes, raffle.
How much is it?
$3
Okay, I'll buy I'm going to buy a raffle, okay?
Which one?
3 for $5. Hey, well, I've had to get right. Good, golly, hey up. Woohoo! Ah!
Wat? Ben je voor de weer?
Well, I've okay, I'm thinking for the week.
Ja, we hadden voor de weer.
Hey, ka ha?
Namelijk Ton
Yeah,
van Hottonek Pinoria. Macau.
ka?
Dat is die Ton voor je hoppen.
Oh, okay.
Minuten.
Oh, okay.
Ga verder naar.
Oh, okay.
Van Hottonek je weer.
Ja, hey up. Dank je, ka?
je voor de weer.
Hey, I'm thinking for the week, ka?
Which one do you want?
Okay, which one? 3 for $5?
That's for the heater. This one's for the crock pot.
Oh no, I don't think I need. Where's the heater?
Yeah.
Oh, is that one of those?
Yeah.
No, what's the other one? Hey, how are you? Yeah, crock pot one.
All the way.
Okay. Yeah.
Nice to see you guys. Woohoo!
Thanks for coming.
What a nice day, hey. I wouldn't miss it. I was on the page saying, hey, I want to be like, you know. Can you write my name, please?
Oh, man.
Hey, can you write my name, please? Lily. Lily A. Do you want to write it like that? Lily A or? Because I'm going around doing my video. Lily A. Lily A Ford. How are you going to put Lily La Kamu? Lily.
What's your number? Phone number.
022 567 567 no 567 022 567 1093. I might come around again and see another raffle ticket, okay? Huh? Can you just woohoo! What beautiful music. I could dance if I wasn't doing my videos. Here we go. We're selling raffles here. 3 for $5. Anybody, everyone, wherever you are today, come on out. Oh, look at this beautiful photo of our Auntie Bay. There's our Auntie Bay. Nice. Look at this store. Beautiful. Nice store. Oh, I love it. Love the colours. Hi, love. How are you?
Good, thank you.
So how long have you been doing this for?
Probably the last 4 years.
What's your, is it called, what, Poly Kids? Oh, Poly Kids Club. There we go. That's so nice. What's your name, love?
Nancy.
Oh, thank you for all that you do.
Thank you.
Hey, nice to see you. What a journey we had, eh? That's beautiful, eh? Yeah. Oh, good. I want to be part of the you know, when it opens.
Yeah.
So once it's open, I'll see a bit of what? Yeah, 12, and then I'll go off after that. Yeah. I'll see ya. See you, Malta. Oh, I love your colours. More people. Good to see you. Hi, Galafatu. Ai fai sto la coi ka?
Thì mình nói đây là xí phá bên đây.
Tu cái này.
Đấy là năng.
Oh, yeah. Mutaki ka? Galafatu. And all these pieces here. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely ladies. And this is Lexi. Alex. Galafatu Faye. Have you got any words to share about today?
Thank you.
Hey, yeah. That was Lex, so it's good. Yeah. Now, where did my sister-in-law go? There she is. Yeah. Hi. Hello. What are you guys selling? Bossy Taki Gaha. Didn't you know there's a lot of people today? Hey?
Everybody want to eat.
Oh, never mind. At least you sold it all, eh? That's a good thing.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, look at these bags. Hey, look at these bags. Oh, here's my sister-in-law. She's waiting in line for her food. Why is she waiting in line? I don't know. Well, anyway, this is us today at Mangrove Bridge. Come on down if you want. See you soon because the opening's at 12 o'clock. Bye.